everyone, welcome to our channel Take Note. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how to see your send friend request on Instagram. Firstly, you need to open Instagram and log in into the Instagram. And on the bottom right corner, you will see the profile icon. Just tap on it. On the top right corner, you will see the three-line icon. Just tap on it and you'll be access to this page where you need to tap on setting and privacy. And you'll be access to the setting and privacy page where you need to scroll down. Once you appear in the setting and privacy page, you need to scroll down. But here you can see that there is no any option to view the send friend request. So you need to come back again and go to the bottom right corner profile icon and tap on the three-line icon on top right and tap on your activity. You need to scroll down here and on the bottom of the screen you will see download your information. So tap on it and you need to tap on request to download here. You need to just select the Instagram and tap on next. After that you need to tap on select types of information. After waiting a minute you'll be access to this page where you need to select the information type. You need to tap on here for followers and following. Tap on it and tap on next. After that you need to tap on submit request and your information is being prepared for download. So it say that they will let us know. After you have submitted the request you need to check your mail. Here I've already received the Instagram mail. So from download your information link you can easily see the send request on the Instagram. So this is it guys. Thank you.